What's going on? You watching Jaylenblk Productions. I'm Eddie, aka Yo Metro, aka Street Dominance Official, and you are at Street Dominance Rise and Shine Halloween Show. This will be a good time, good night, stay tuned.
We got the Rise and Shine after hours going on today. What's your costume, man?
Delicious.
Okay, then I'm gonna eat you up.
That's right.
That's the spirit. we got us a fake Hellcat over here today, man. Fake ass Hellcat, but it do got the cool white interior. Hello? Is that a dildo right there, bro? Hey, you got the outfit on. Okay,
Hell
then.
Yeah, man. Got the lighting out too.
Stop lighting. Not too serious.
That shit a little bright.
I got you, bro. I got you. Here you go.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Oh shit. Okay.
We got the C6. Hey, Anthony, where he at? Anthony, come here.
Inspiration.
See, his engine bay looks a little bit slightly, you know, cleaner, better.
You know how long it took me to put this together, by the way? A year.
Really?
Yeah, that's what he was telling me. It took him a year to build it. I was like, shit.
That's
He
money
built the
right
whole
there.
drivetrain too.
You need to learn from him. And his Pro Chargers, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Doing manifold, cold packs, fuel lines.
Yeah. What is that? A McMahon alternator? Yep. McMahon alternator.
Bet you look over that blue and you see something.
Hey, how's it going? Oh yeah, he got something on there. What's all done to it? I mean, technically it is bolted on. Yeah, just the air intake.
Something slight.
Will. Is the yellow, rare yellow Mustang right here?
He says that the yellow is rare.
Hey.
Jaylenblk. I wasn't scared of noise.
I did test my luck.
There's no way.
Okay.
Hey, this is Speed Racer, right?
Oh yeah, that's Kink Batowski. I can't walk straight. Ah. That's the Hennessy. That's the exit. Okay. Hey, I like y'all costume.
Thank you, thank you.
What are y'all? Y'all pirates?
Pirates? Yes, sir.
Okay, I like the costume. I like the costume.
Pirates and mermaids.
Come over to you. I'm finna swing that way. All right, I got it. I like it, right? All right, what are the trophies?
We got trophies for Best in Show, Best Costume, and Best Display. Last two are Halloween themed. Best in Show, obviously, is going to be whoever's got the Best in Show out of everything that's here tonight.
All righty, 10-4, 10-4. We're looking around for it. We got Von Teasy right here, man.
Hey, in this 3-valve right here, drift car, big turbo.
Yes, sir. You seen it? Oh, shit. You seen it here first over here on my channel.
Boom!
What's up, Spider-Man?
Yeah, man. We got Spider-Man in the cut. Yes,
Hell
sir.
yeah.
Sir, you know it.
Gotta get my eyes on.
Calisthenic, man. Darth Vader's here, bro. Holy shit. Darth Vader in the cut. Oh! D1 Darth Vader, what's happening? What's happening?
Oh, wait, 1 second. 1 second.
Man, that thing's quiet. He dry like you too.
Rev it up. Rev it up.
Gonna be on the next YouTube video.
Yes, sir. Make sure you subscribe.
And I'm gonna be
You gotta go
subscribing.
on YouTube, type in Jaylen,
Jaylenblk
J-L-E-N production.
Productions. It's you.
Why did it show up by itself? See, that's me right there. That's me.
So you like the photographer? So where he's actually?
Make it pop a little bit.
Bobby, bro. Bobby. Come on, man.
Maybe.
I know. Might work.
Right now.
I gotta say, because we had a pretty good run in the Mustang. That was a good run. Grant, you
I
had a
was
cool
on
car.
though. I was on straight 93.
Oh, yeah. I need,
What was it? Y'all was racing?
yeah, no.
What was y'all racing
no,
at?
I wasn't racing.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah,
race.
yeah. What was y'all racing
On
at?
Forza
Oh,
Horizon.
GTA, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
GG.
We almost had him.
Snitch.
We almost had him, officer. We almost had him. Say it again.
If I could do it and drive off, that's fine.
Say it again. Oh my God. Appreciate
Honestly disappointing.
That's the spirit. The duck real quick.
I'm out of here.
Got Mona Lisa right there.
Yeah, I would drive that over a Z01. That's crazy.
Why he got,
I'll drive that over a while.
they got it.
What are you on?
Yeah, if you don't got a costume on, you can't be over here.
Sorry, my bad.
I got a costume on. I'm a pimp.
Go ahead. That's what I was saying. I appreciate everybody coming out in the costumes. Everybody looks great. All the displays were cool. Bunch of great cars came out. Awesome costumes were out here. I know it's a little late, so we'll go ahead and get into it. Like I said, I really appreciate everybody coming out. So we're gonna go ahead and start off. We got best costume, and this one was kind of hard because Green Ranger. I seen Green Ranger show up. Green Ranger and Darth Vader showed up. Y'all look sick. My vampires, I gotta give it to my vampires. I get a round of applause for my vampires. Y'all look great. Thank you. I'll let it come coming out.
Congratulations.
Next up, we got our best display. There were a few displays that I liked. There were some displays that kind of went all out too, so I thought that was really cool. My Jeep display was great, and I really wanted to give it to my Jeep display, but the Jurassic Park display, I love the Jurassic Park display. Where's my Jurassic Park display at? Where are you? Round of applause for my Jurassic Park display. Hey, thank you for coming out, bro. The T-Rex is awesome. Yeah. Last but not least, we got Best of Show. We had a lot of sick builds come out here tonight. There was some builds I've never even seen before, so I appreciate everybody coming out, and I really hope y'all continue to come out. If you don't know already, we do this the last Sunday of every month, always here at this location. A lot of people have been asking me to do trophies again, so I'm probably going to start bringing trophies back every month. So like I said, I appreciate everybody coming out. Best of Show was a hard pick. Hey, we really thought about it, but I'm gonna have to give it to the S10 with the dancing bed. If I get a round of applause to the S10. Where's my S10 at? There's my S10. There you go. I appreciate you coming out, man.
Sabrina, you can come get it.
Hold the camera up.
Everybody brought out some
Trophy.
beautiful
Here
trucks.
you go.
If y'all want to know my runner-up, you were my runner-up. You were my next pick. I was like, man, it was such a hard pick. The dancing bed just got it for me.
I said it to both of y'all. I was like, his truck or
That 90s. Yeah, like I said, I appreciate everybody coming out. We will be doing this again later this month. So technically we get 2 shows this month, but I appreciate everybody coming out. Please be safe on your way home. All of the social media coverage, pictures and videos will be on the Street Dominance Instagram, as well as Jaylenblk Productions on YouTube. So if you want to get some good clips of your car, Jaylenblk Productions will have you on YouTube. That's all I got for you. Thank y'all for coming out. I appreciate it. Thank you.
What's up, y'all? Per usual, after the show ends, it goes to pure chaos, but it's controlled chaos, you know what I'm saying? We got everybody heading out just after the award ceremony today, y'all. I got my #1 fan right there with his girl over there. I'm finna record some more flybys. That's not Colton. Woo! Appreciate it. That right there is the best of show right there, man. He showed up and showed out. Get He hung out with us when K and them.
It's mom.
I think he said, what do you say? Charger. They got kids in there.
Fair enough.
Juanito! Spin it!
No, hell no, I'm not putting this on YouTube.
Okay then.
See, that gets on YouTube and then I don't. Yeah. Don't follow this guy on YouTube. Do not subscribe to him.
I got you, bro. Do it again.
Oh my gosh, my eyes.
This weird
I'm
kid tried to
16
hit
years
on
old.
me.
This man is a.
He tried to hit on me.
I don't think we can say
I'm a
this on
grown
YouTube,
man.
but this dude.
Ah, that motherfucker. Okay then, bag out on it.
That's what I'm saying. We just go.
What's up, y'all? That was a good old turnout this time. That was October's event. Obviously, it was costumed. It was Halloween themed, everything. We did a 3 trophy giveaway, everything, man. I'm gonna turn it over to the host of the show and have him do an outro.
He's stealing my money. You see this?
Yeah.
I made $201 fake money, by the way. Can't take anything around here. Anyway, it was a great turnout. Super thankful for everybody that came out. Had no problems. Nobody doing anything they weren't supposed to be doing. We got some
What were you
rowdy
saying?
boys on the way out. We got some rowdy boys on the way out. But no, it was a great turnout. Everybody came out and brought like great vibes, great energy, great costumes, great cars. We had some crazy builds that I've never even seen before. So that was awesome. Had Halloween decorations out here like this beautiful 1LE Camaro here.
So much effort we put into that.
And then we got this thing. Don't even worry about that. We're gonna just act like that's not there. But yeah, super thankful for our winners, everybody that came out. Hope to see everybody next month. As always, you can always expect for full coverage to be right here on Jaylenblk's Productions. All the other media, all your pictures, all your videos, all your little cinematics, right here, Street Dominance Official on Instagram. Then right here at Yo Metro, that's me right here flying up above my head. Look at right there, right there, right there. Hey, Yo_Metro right there. But yeah, we'll see you guys at the next one.